Picture this. You walk into a room and everything just. Papers are filed, shelves are tidy, and a sense of calm washes over you. That's the magic a professional organizer brings. They're like everyday superheroes swooping in to conquer clutter and restore order. But it's not just about aesthetics. Organizers help people simplify their lives, reduce stress, and gain precious time. They're masters of efficiency, using their skills to create functional, beautiful spaces that spark joy. Think about the feeling you get when you finally tackle that messy drawer. Now imagine multiplying that feeling by 100. That's the satisfaction of transforming someone's entire home or workspace. So are you ready to become the Marie Kondo of your dreams? Let's dive into the world of professional organizing and explore the path to a fulfilling and impactful career. Want to build a solid foundation for your organizing career? Knowledge is power. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your skills, the right education can make all the difference. The world of organizing is vast and varied, and having a strong educational background can set you apart from the competition. Luckily, there are amazing courses out there to equip you with the skills and confidence you need. From online platforms to in-person workshops, the options are plentiful. These courses are designed to provide you with practical knowledge and hands-on experience, ensuring you're well prepared for any organizing challenge that comes your way. First up, consider a course in event planning. Event planning courses cover a wide range of topics, from logistics and time management to budgeting and client relations. These courses often include real-world projects and case studies, giving you a taste of what it's like to manage complex events. This might seem surprising, but think about it. Event planners are masters of logistics, time management, and creating seamless experiences. They know how to juggle multiple tasks, coordinate with various vendors, and ensure everything runs smoothly. These are exactly the skills you need as an organizer. These skills translate beautifully to the world of organizing. Whether you're organizing a home, an office, or an event, the ability to manage time and resources effectively is crucial. Event planning courses can teach you how to prioritize tasks, delegate responsibilities, and stay calm under pressure. Next, dive into the world of project management. Project management courses are designed to help you break down large tasks into manageable steps, set realistic deadlines, and track progress effectively. You'll learn about different project management methodologies such as Agile and Waterfall, and how to apply them to your organizing projects. This is where you'll learn to break down large tasks into manageable steps, set realistic deadlines, and track progress effectively. Project management courses often include tools and software that can help you stay organized and on track. You'll also learn about risk management and how to handle unexpected challenges. Essential skills for any organizer. Being able to plan and execute projects efficiently is key to success in the organizing industry. Project management courses can provide you with the structure and discipline needed to tackle even the most complex organizing tasks. Finally, don't underestimate the power of communication. Effective communication is at the heart of any successful organizing project. Whether you're working with clients, team members, or vendors, being able to convey your ideas clearly and listen to others is essential. A good organizer needs to be able to listen carefully to clients, understand their needs, and communicate solutions clearly and effectively. Communication courses can teach you how to build rapport with clients, negotiate effectively, and present your ideas with confidence. A course in communication or interpersonal skills can be a game changer. These courses often include role-playing exercises and real-world scenarios, helping you practice and refine your communication skills. You'll learn how to handle difficult conversations, provide constructive feedback, and build strong relationships with clients and colleagues. Investing in your education is an investment in yourself. The knowledge and skills you gain from these courses will not only make you a better organizer, but also boost your confidence and credibility. You'll be better equipped to handle any organizing challenge and provide exceptional service to your clients. These courses will give you a competitive edge and set you up for success in the exciting world of professional organizing. So take the leap, invest in your education, and watch your organizing career soar to new heights. Sure, being a whiz with a label maker is helpful, but becoming a successful professional organizer goes beyond neatly folded clothes and color-coded shelves. It's about creating systems that bring order and peace to people's lives, transforming chaos into calm. This career requires a unique blend of practical skills and personal qualities that set the best organizers apart. It's not just about the tools you use, but how you use them to tailor solutions to each client's specific needs and lifestyle. Attention to detail is non-negotiable. You'll be dealing with people's belongings and personal spaces, so a keen eye for detail and a commitment to accuracy are crucial. Every item has its place and every space has its potential. It's about seeing the possibilities and making them a reality. No more misplaced keys or missing socks. Imagine the relief and satisfaction your clients will feel when they can find everything they need, exactly when they need it. Next, multitasking is your new superpower. Organizers often juggle multiple projects and tasks simultaneously, from planning and sorting to implementing and maintaining. You'll need to keep many balls in the air. Being able to prioritize, switch gears seamlessly, and stay calm under pressure is essential. It's about managing your time effectively and ensuring that each task gets the attention it deserves without losing sight of the bigger picture. Problem-solving skills are your secret weapon. Every client and every space presents unique challenges. Whether it's a small apartment with limited storage or a large home with too much stuff, you'll need to find creative ways to make the most of the space available. You'll need to think creatively, come up with innovative solutions, and adapt your approach on the fly. It's about being resourceful and thinking outside the box to create functional and aesthetically pleasing spaces. Finally, remember the human element. Empathy and compassion are essential for connecting with clients, understanding their struggles, and creating solutions that truly work for their lives. It's about building trust and making a positive impact on their daily routines and overall well-being. Your role is not just to organize their space, but to help them feel more in control and less stressed. This personal touch is what makes the difference between a good organizer and a great one. All right, you've got the knowledge, you're brimming with enthusiasm. Now it's time to get your hands dirty. This is where the real adventure begins, where theory meets practice and where your passion for organizing can truly shine. Not literally, unless you're tackling a messy garage. Hands-on experience is invaluable in the world of professional organizing. It's one thing to know the principles, but it's another to apply them in real-life situations. Volunteering is a fantastic way to start. Not only does it give you practical experience, but it also allows you to give back to the community. Offer your services to friends, family, or local organizations in need of an organizing superhero. Tackle a cluttered pantry, streamline a chaotic office, or help someone reclaim their living space. These small projects can make a big difference in honing your skills or transform a donation center. These environments are often in dire need of organization, and your efforts can have a significant impact. Every experience is a learning opportunity. Each project you take on, no matter how big or small, teaches you something new. Consider an internship with an established professional organizer. This is a golden opportunity to immerse yourself in the field, learn from seasoned experts, and see firsthand how they handle various challenges. This is your chance to learn from the best, observe their techniques, and understand the nuances of professional organizing. Pay close attention to how they approach different tasks, manage their time, and interact with clients, and gain real-world experience in different organizing scenarios. From homes to offices, each space presents unique challenges and learning opportunities. Don't underestimate the power of shadowing. It's a fantastic way to gain insights without the pressure of being in charge. Reach out to organizers in your area and ask if you can shadow them for a day. Observe their client interactions. See how they conduct consultations and understand the importance of building a rapport with clients. Learn about their business practices, from scheduling and pricing to marketing and client management. These insights are invaluable as you build your own business, and soak up all the wisdom they have to share. Remember, every cluttered drawer, every overflowing closet is a chance to hone your skills and build your confidence. Embrace the challenges, learn from each experience, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Each misstep is a stepping stone to becoming better at what you do. And watch yourself transform into a true organizing pro. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small, and keep pushing forward. The journey to becoming a professional organizer is filled with learning, growth, and the satisfaction of making a difference in people's lives.